Hi there. So in this video, I've broken down some different approaches to art journaling. I'm simplifying a lot of the styles because obviously it's a lot more complex than the way I've broken it down. But my purpose is to make it feel less overwhelming because there are so many options out there. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Okay, so the minimalist. Now, this style involves a lot of subdued colors and neutrals, a lot of earthy tones like browns and pastel shades. It has a lot of crisp lines. It's a very neat and clean look. And for quick decorative elements, you can add a simple pattern like polka dots or a checkered design. It's ideal for people who want a really quick routine. They don't want to waste too much time in the design aspect of it. They just want to write something down and want it to look good. So this is pretty ideal for them. And as for tips, I'd suggest you could buy some washi tape with like simple patterns. You can use sticky notes or just buy some neutral toned colored sheets or paint them on if you have the time. And I'd suggest using double-sided tape if you really want it to be a quicker process rather than gluing it down. I find it quite efficient. Okay, you can throw a party in your journal. So this involves a lot of crazy textures and layers. It's very colorful. So it's for somebody who just wants to experiment around. Like if you're not sure about how a certain technique will work, you can just take one page and apply all the techniques you've heard of in one go. I mean, that's kind of crazy, but that's kind of what I did here. So yeah, it's just like a really free-fally thing where you just don't care what it looks like, you're just going ham. So for tips, you can use, as I did here, you can use a tissue paper, just glue it down and then do whatever you want on it, throw paint, it'll create like interesting textures. I even use some gauze, even though now the first aid in my house is compromised, but you know, priorities. You can use a sponge. I use like a plastic spoon to swirl around the paint. And to have some balance, just ensure you use different intensities of the colors you're using. So next is the interactive style. So this involves a lot of fun elements like pockets and little flaps and doors. You can even make pockets out of the page, as you'll see me do here. It's good for good for when you have a lot on your mind, you have a lot to say, but you just want a creative way to display all the text. For tips, again, I'd suggest using double-sided tape. It will be neater for all the flaps, and like glue it might peel off and stuff. Might not be able to hold the card folding over and over again. And another tip I have is something you can apply to journaling in any style. Is whenever you're trimming some element off, you can save that and then use it across the page, so that it helps you have some cohesion and also make some use of the scraps instead of them going to the dustbin. Yes, I'm a hoarder, but that's fine. It's embarrassing the amount of boxes and boxes I have of like old wedding cards and not greeting cards. I wouldn't cut greeting cards up. I have a special place for that. That's just mean. But yeah, if you've ever sent me a wedding card, let's just say I recycled it. And next we have the combo, where you just apply all these styles together. So you have this layered element, you can layer stuff, you can make it colorful and then make one side of the spread minimalistic. So I guess this is ideal if you just want a very well-rounded look. You can pick and choose the amounts of different styles you want to apply. You can customize it. And for tips, I'd say that because you are involving different styles, like a minimalistic look but also a very heavy, crazy look, the way to tie it together is use colors or design elements that are the same on both sides. So yeah, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed and thank you for watching.